So hey guys, so basically this is my Fitbit watch box. I just noticed how cute this box is, so I thought to myself, why not go ahead and spray paint the outer portion of the box and probably line the inner part with some extra marble adhesive paper that I have. So yeah, I think I might just spray paint the entire interior as well. I don't know. So I need to remove these, and this is a little tray that I have that's in white, but I want to add a bit more pop to it, so I'm gonna spray paint this in gold as well. The paint I'm using is the Krylon Color Max paint and primer in metallic gold. Yeah, so I think I picked up the wrong gold. This is like I don't know, like a matte brass gold. This is not the color that I wanted, but I guess I just have to make it work. So that's how it's looking. I think I might leave the outer part shaded like that because it gives it that, what you would call it, that rust antique look. So I'm gonna let that dry for a bit, the inside, and then I'll be right back. Technically those are it. I think I picked up the wrong paint. I should have got the one for metallic and the one for like paper box or whatever, but anyhow, I guess that will work. Yeah, that will work for now. So I'm gonna leave these out here for at least an hour or two. And the tray turned out. I did stop my books here. These are like my inspirational books that I love to read when I want to feel inspired, so I did place it on the tray. I actually do love how it came out. I do love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section, because I haven't done a DIY in ages, so this is just an easy home little treat instead of throwing it away. Well, not Trinket box. This is how the Fitbit watch came out. I wiped it off with a clean cloth because it did have a little bit of residue on it, so it didn't come out too perfect, but it's still something. I did have some leftover marble paper, so I did put the marble paper on the bottom of the container because I didn't want the brassiness of the gold of the spray paint coming off on my dresser. So that works out. I did, however, go in and I did put some more on the inside, and then technically I did put some on the inside of the box as well, like right here. So this box came in handy. This is where I'll keep my Fitbit charger, my wireless earbuds, and my Fitbit bands, even though I haven't changed my bands in a while. And I did use the marble paper to put on the inside as well, so it's mainly on a smooth basis, well, on a smooth base, and it's like a magnetic close thing, so it's beautiful. I love it. I honestly love it. So anyhow, I hope that you guys did love this, and until next time, love you, and I will see you in my next one.